Hi all, this is Dr.T.Logeswari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application PG, Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi, Arts and Science College, Coimbatore. This is my second lecture video in SPM, Software Project Management. The title Activities Methodologies. In software project management, many activities are there. The planning of project, deciding the scope of the product, and the estimation of cost, scheduling, many things are there. But here in this list, we will discuss one by one project planning and tracking, project resource management, scope management, estimation management, project risk management, scheduling management, project communication management, configuration management. These are all the activities we will see one by one. What do you mean by project planning? Before when you are going to perform anything, we should first plan that properly. So before when you are going to construct any product, if you want to build any product, you should plan properly because the planning will take place without any hurdle. There is no gap between anything. So that project planning is very important one. Second one, scope management. The scope is one of the important parameter in project management because we should know what we should do and what you should not do. If you know that clearly, then it will be helpful for our project to avoid the price and time. We will complete on time. Third one, estimation management. Here we are not talking only about cost. Here we are talking about the size, effort, time, then cost. What do you mean by size? How many lines the code consists of? That is also matter. Then when we are talking about size of the project, 100% we came to know that how many people we need to do that. What will be the team size? So in order to complete that we talk about the effort. The last one, time. If you know the size and effort, then we can able to calculate how long it will require time duration to complete our project. When you're talking about last cost, in this cost many parameters are there. The size of the software, quality, hardware, communication, training, additional software and tools, anything if you want to purchase, then skilled manpower. That is one of the important thing. So when we focus all these things, all these elements are important because when we talk about the cost. The fourth one, scheduling management. See, when you plan properly and if you find out the scope, 100% we can able to schedule our project properly. So scheduling is one of the important thing. If you complete on time, within the time duration, then there is no gap between any other thing. For example, the cost will not increase, the time will not be increased. So all these important parameters we can focus. So when you are planning and when you schedule it properly, then you can find out multiple tasks and you can correlate them and you can divide the time into unit and you can assign how many number of work unit if you want for every job. Calculate the total time for start and finish and you can able to break down the project into modules. Fifth one, project resource management. Here when we talk about resource, it is not only talking about the what are all things we require for the project. It includes human resource, productive tools and libraries. If you talk about resource management, here what project we can able to create as a team and how to assign the responsibility to every team members and what resource plan we can able to derive to complete the project plan and how to adjust the resources, because these are all things we should keep it in our mind because that is the main thing when we are focusing about the software project management. The last one, project risk management. Project risk management consists of in order to identify the risk, analyze the risk and prepare the plan to predict and unpredict the risk in the project. Few things you should keep it in your mind. That means if any experienced team leaves the project, if any new team joins it, then you can able to have some small risk. Then if any changes in the requirement, that time also the risk might be there. If any changes in technologies and environment, then you have some risk, and the market competition. This is also one of the important thing. So these are all the small risk may arise. So that we have to analyze and we have to plan according to that. So what are all things when we discussed today? These are all the activities you should understand thoroughly. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video series.